Damn, fancy.
Yeah. Big hand off the hand, checking in here. Bitch. Yeah.
We got presidential shit and nigga, this ain't no election. Heard he talking crazy, boy, I swear we better not catch him. Catch a nigga muggin', we gon' knock off his expression. We'll wipe a nigga nose like he sneezed, a nigga blessed him. Heard that nigga made a rubber for them tryin' stretch it. I see money, power, and respect in my reflection. Hoes gon' go regardless if you ugly or you handsome. Twiggered us, we buggin' up and all these ain't no handguns. My eye was talking crazy like he tough or something. Till I caught him loaf and slapped his ass until he buckled some. I don't do that woofing, I'm Big Shake, I'm known for shaking some. I can't go back broke, cause if I do, I'm gon' be taking some. Didn't have me no bread, I figured out how to go make me some. Bulletproof your whip like we won't slide when you ain't safe for some. Break your face in places, they replace it with some staples, huh? Niggas always fake, I knew my place since I was 8 or something. Boy, relax, cause you're acting. We know you ain't no clapper, we active in traffic. Might catch him while he lacking. I'm actually a trapper, a rich and ugly bastard. Got action from Ashley, she taught me up in traffic. Nigga call my phone, he tryin' murder some. Heard he talking crazy on the net like he won't bury some. He be moving thirsty with that bitch, he tryin' murder some. He catch you playing crazy with his brother, he gon' curry some. All the ops in Renault T, they know we tryin' hurt him, huh? This ain't Tom and Jerry, we ain't chasing none of these birdies, huh? I just pray to God I know my purpose, that's for certain, huh? I just pray to God I know my purpose, that's for certain, huh? We got presidential shit and nigga, this ain't no election. Heard he talking crazy, boy, I swear we better not catch him. Catch a nigga muggin', we gon' knock off his expression. We'll wipe a nigga nose like he sneezed, a nigga blessed him. Heard that nigga made a rubber for them tryin' stretch it. I see money, power, and respect in my reflection. Hoes gon' go regardless if you ugly or you handsome. Twiggered us, we buggin' up and all these ain't no handguns.